So today's video is brought to you by my very own coffee, Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. It's available in a K-Cup, whole bean, and pre-ground 16-ounce bag. You can find it at justadadcoffee.com, or right underneath the video, you will see the products displayed and you can click on them and purchase them right there. Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review and an unboxing on this BLACK+DECKER Fur Buster cordless vacuum cleaner. So let's see what exactly comes in here. Now when you unbox it, there is this piece of plastic here. You are going to have to take that off so that you can move the switch. We're going to need to charge it first, but let's see how we charge it. Okay, here's everything that comes in the box. Now this does have an attachment here that has a powered brush. So there is electricity that comes from the machine down to the brush. When we put it on, and it's going to rotate. That's going to be really nice for getting pet hair off of like furniture and things. So it does come with this cable. This is how you're going to charge it. Now it only goes one way. You got to find which way the notch is. So that's going to point up like that. You're going to plug this into the wall. It does come with a bracket. You can hang it on the wall like that, but it does sit flat on the table like that also. Now it also comes with, now to take this attachment off, you don't pinch these tabs, you got to kind of lift them up. You're going to press them away so that you can take that off. It does have a built-in crevice tool, which we can pull out. And then to push back in, you're going to want to push right here to get it to go past. And we can put this little brush on here too for getting things, if you want to kind of brush things off. So that's very nice. Now it's only got one speed. You basically turn it on, it's at one speed, and you turn it off. You don't have to hold a button in to press it or anything. Now let's empty it out. Once you've got this completely full, you're going to press this button right here. Press that button, it kind of rotates out. Now there is a filter here, but you can empty out all the contents like this. You do not have to remove the filter. But here is the filter assembly. Kind of push it out. Once in a while, there is a paper here. You are going to have to blow this out. You may have to replace this, but there's the filter assembly. Now, you want to make sure and put it back in correctly. But again, it's got a nice big opening right here for emptying everything out. Now, to put it back in, there is an electrical connection you want to make right here. You're going to start at the bottom, line up those probes, and then rotate it till it snaps into place. Yep. Yeah, you just kind of put the probes in at the bottom, rotate it, and it snaps into place. So let's see how exactly this does cleaning up on some furniture with some pet hair. Okay, so we've got some pet hair. See how pet hair kind of grabs the material here? That's where this brush is going to come in handy. It's got like some rubber fins and some rubber things. That's going to help draw the hair off of these if you've got a pet bed or something. So let's see how it does. Again. That does a really quick job. And again, if I want to take this off and I want to get the crevice, I can get into these crevices here. That did a really good job. Okay, so I've got some mess here. You can even clean up some carpet with this. Okay, so I thought it did a really good job getting hair up off of a couch with fabric. This would be great for a car, a pet bed. You can even do it on some carpet. So again, this has a pretty big compartment. I like that it has a nice big opening here you can see. So let's go empty it out. Press the button, rotate it, watch those pins, don't bend those. But again, there's already an opening here. You do not have to take this filter out. So let's just empty it all out. That's a pretty nice feature. And then again, line the pins up, you're ready to go. I thought this vacuum cleaner did a really good job. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching. So thanks everybody for watching my video today. Underneath the video, if you could hit the thumbs up button, that really helps out my YouTube channel. Again, you can purchase all this coffee right below the video. You'll see links to them, or go to justadadcoffee.com. I really do appreciate everybody's support. Recently, YouTube just sent me my 100,000 subscriber plaque. That would not be possible without everybody's support. So again, I really appreciate it. I'm excited for this new adventure, branding my own coffee. It tastes really good, and I hope you're gonna definitely like it. Again, hoping somebody asks you what your favorite cup of coffee is. It's Just a Dad Simple Sip Coffee. And again, thanks so much for watching the YouTube channel. Also, be sure and check out my Just a Dad Videos group page on Facebook. This is where I do my free giveaways. So when I'm done with my products, I do a free giveaway on there, and you can kind of see behind the scenes of how I make my videos. Also, check out my podcast, Coffee with Dad Podcast. This is where I interview different people. I love to hear everybody's story, and I just think everybody has a story they want to tell. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, and thanks so much. Miss Fiona always knows when I'm doing a recording.